Nike's celebration of the Air Max 95's 35th anniversary continues with the third WORKSOUT collaboration, this time featuring a thunder blue upper and beige sole. The South Korean label reimagines Sergio Lozano's classic by stripping away the layered sidewalls in favor of sleek, graphic paneling. A diamond-patterned swoosh and criss-cross stitching introduce new textures, while reflective 3M stripes boost visibility. Still retaining the signature big bubble and horizontal seam, this version honors the silhouette's core identity. Though release details remain unconfirmed, the pair is expected to drop in fall 2025 at $190. Following the Levi's three-way collab and previous sold-out WORKSOUT pairs, this design keeps momentum strong. The collaboration offers a bold departure from earlier tonal styles and affirms Nike's two-pronged anniversary strategy, reviving fan favorites while pushing creative boundaries.